Hello everyone, Jay here. I'm at the house. Today, let's slab some fisheye agate, fossilized sea beans. Now these slabs don't look like much when they're dry, but when they're wet, this is what it'll look like when they're polished. You can see it's translucent, semi-translucent. You can see through the chalcedony. You can see all the beans in there. Let's make something with it. are the hearts that we have. We're going to smooth them out, polish them up on the old Slant Lap. I already have a bunch of hearts here that I started, but I wanted some fisheye agates. These are halfway done. They still have 3 more stages to go to, but I'm going to blast through these fisheye agates first, and maybe come back to these. Alright, we'll take the 180 grit, and I don't normally use the original shroud. That's the original shroud. That splashes more than anything else. So I took a bucket, cut the top off of a bucket. Look at that, fits perfectly, no splashing. Water reservoir's filled. Alright. Water's going. You can see the water. Does it need that much water? Not really. It's well adjusted. Can you see that cutout right there that I left? So make short work of it. Feeling smooth. Yep. Took it right off. Now we just have to smooth everything else out. Outside edge is nice and smooth. Now I just have to smooth in the flat surfaces from all the saw marks. I don't know if you can see the saw marks in that. This one has a big saw mark. This is the one fresh off the slab saw. This is right after 180 grit. You can see the difference. All the scratches, well not all of them, but the majority of the scratches from the slab saw are still here. This one removed it, the 180 grit removed it. So we still have 4 more polish pads to go before this one's done. I'm going to go finish this one and the other one on the 180. I just changed the disc to 325 grit. Power it up, get it wet, speed it up. It's my favorite part. Alright, let's get back to it. Polish pad to the 14,000 diamond paste. You can see the swirls around it. That's the diamond paste, and that'll definitely polish these up real nice. Let's get started. Now for this one I keep a very light drip. I don't want it too wet, but if you don't use any water at all, your stones will get hot and it'll be hard to hold. So I keep the water a light drip and I don't max the speed out on this. This pad will definitely grab whatever rock you're holding and snatch it out your hand and fling it around. So be careful with this one. It will heat your stone up and it will snatch it from you. Alright, we polished the hearts, and there's one piece of the slab that is fresh from the saw. You can see all the scratches on it, but you can see that the hearts are like glass, even on the beans. So yeah, we have fisheye agate hearts. Welcome to the wrap-up. As you can see, we had another great day at the house. We have our fisheye agate, our fisheye agate slab. You can see the scratch marks and the fossilized sea beans. It's a really cool rock. And we have our 3 polished and shaped hearts. Have a nickel there to show the size of them. You can see all the details inside the hearts. You can see the sea beans, the crystal formations. But the high-tech 8-inch Slant Lap did a really great job polishing. Got a nice glassy finish. Maybe I'll do a giveaway. What do you think? Think that's a good idea? If so, leave it in the comments. But if you liked what you saw, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, my friends. Did some cleaning up. Always have some trim, some cutout. What do I do with it? It goes into the jar for tumbling, filler.